Yo, what's going on, y'all? Alex Jenkins checking in. And for what y'all can see, here it is. Man, the market took a fall and it took a fall, and this looked like it's hitting to that minor support level that I told you guys about in the first part one of the GU breakdown on GU analysis. Excuse me, GU analysis. Um, but yeah, so it is. I did end up getting out that trade. I TP'd up here where where it broke the trend line break. I TP'd at that point, and I took another look at the market. I did put a sell order in before y'all. That buy order that I did put in, I did put a sell order in before that. I took a $5 loss on that sell in an upside movement. But my first, one thing about me as a trader, my first analysis of my first thought is normally the right thought. It's normally the right thought. I know, excuse me, y'all. I know y'all heard of it. Your first thought is probably more than likely your best thought. I know y'all heard the cliche, but yeah, as y'all can see, the market it did exactly what it do at this top price at that high. Now, if y'all remember correctly, in the large size of the video on the first video, when I said it happens in that area, it normally drops. It gets to that price and it normally drops about 2-3. What we went, what it was like 600 pips before. So we know here at this point, if it go down to here, y'all know it. That's 400 pips. That's 400 pips. And currently right now it's already surpassed 200 pips already. So anybody that made an entry last night and for sale and seen GU as a sale and really respected that resistance level, that high resistance level, which I have over here, which is that high. But let's take a look at this on the higher time frame. Anybody that respected that, y'all see what it did. Y'all see what it did. Once it got, even if it did a price break, it fell tremendously. It fell tremendously. And right now, it's falling tremendously. Well, we can't use this part of the analysis because this is a bearish market, and it's really going to show what we're looking at. What we're looking at is a bull market. So you're seeing when in the bull market when it made a long run in 2016 through 2017, and when it got there, it fell tremendously. Those were 600 pips I was telling y'all guys about, and it came back and we tested that price again and broke the price and fell again, and it fell tremendously the next time around. Let's see if we got another example of that. We don't have another example of that. So excuse me, those are the only two examples that we do have. But right now, as y'all can see, let's go back to the hour chart. It did not respect that zone. And I didn't see that as a key level of resistance. So it didn't respect that price. It respected that price, a little bit, and you could. That's what I was telling you. It was an original buy. You could have got 40 pips and got out of there. But if that's what I was telling you guys. Another thing, if you have other indicators that you can use to confirm your trading bias or your trading idea, that will help you, in your plan. So I have other indicators that I use that allow me to get in these trades. And man, I didn't get back in this trade last night. I wish I did. To be honest with you, because as y'all can see what it did. You see it. You can see it. And I did add that extra level that I did put in the first video back in there. This was the other level that I put in initially. And I came to the second video and I put this one in. And I had to move that one, but I put that one back in at the same price I had it at before. Y'all seen it broke that price. It rose back up to that price, rose up a little bit, and then broke back down to the downside. So, and in the entries, if y'all was doing anything, if anybody did any sales during that video last night, your entries would have been perfecto. Perfecto, y'all. And we knew, and it's just like I was saying before, this was the current, this was the current time of the market at that time, at that present moment. It was a falling market, even though we caught that this pullback in the falling market. Yeah. So yeah, that's the GU update, you guys. And let's just check it out.